In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to build a Copilot in Copilot Studio, and what better way to kick off the Euro 2024 in Germany by creating a Euros 2024 Copilot. Let's get started. Okay, so here we are in Copilot Studio. You can sign up for a free trial using a work or school account. So from the left-hand side, we can go to Create, and we have an option of Microsoft Copilot Action or New Copilot. So if we select New Copilot, here we get, I'm here to help you build a custom Copilot. In a few sentences, how will your Copilot assist your users? So I'm going to say, I want a Euros 2024 Copilot to help me understand and plan a trip to Germany for watching Euros games. And here I get a response. Your Copilot will be a Euros 2024 Copilot to assist you in understanding and planning a trip to Germany for watching Euros games. It will provide guidance on travel, game schedules, locations, and any other relevant information. Do you have any instructions for how your Copilot should assist, for example, a specific tone? So let's say friendly and supportive tone. Haven't been to Germany before, so it should provide additional information to make my trip easy. And then, understood, your Copilot will have a friendly and supportive tone, providing additional information to make your trip to Germany for the Euros 2024 games easier. Where should the Copilot find information? Provide any publicly accessible websites that your Copilot will need. So here I'm just going to paste in uefa.com/Euro 2024. Any other topics or tasks this Copilot shouldn't help with or talk about. So here, this would be to call out anything that I'm not interested in, but I can't think of anything. Say nothing at the moment. And here you can see how Copilot's being built out. So primary language is English. We could switch that if we want to. Assist in understanding and planning a trip to Germany for watching the Euros. Friendly and supportive tone, and where it's getting its knowledge from. Okay, noted. Your Copilot will be ready to assist you with all aspects of your trip to Germany. Fantastic. Perfect. You're all set and you're ready to go. Okay, so I'm done. I'll click that. Okay, perfect. So here is our Copilot now built. So Germany Trip Planner. Might be nice if that was just called Euros 2024 Copilot. I'm sure we can change that somewhere. Let's have a look. So, hello, I'm Germany Trip Planner, virtual assistant. Brilliant. So let's say, what is the first game? Who is playing? And what time is kickoff? Let's see what we get back. Group A teams, Germany and Scotland. Yes, it is. Fantastic. Let's see what other teams are in Group A. Scotland, Hungary and Switzerland. Okay, but the most important thing, when is England's first game? And who are they playing? Okay, nice, good to know. And let's see, with details on how to get to the stadium and what hotels I can stay at. let's just see what it does for this. I'm not really sure what it's going to bring back, and I'm not actually travelling to Germany, so it doesn't really matter. Best way to get to the stadium: by using public transport. Most convenient, fastest, most sustainable option. Great. Check online booking platforms. Okay, that's not particularly helpful. I wonder if we can query something about players. So, who is the most capped player in the tournament? Wow. There we go. Never even heard of them. Okay, perfect. Let's ask the most important question. Who is going to win the Euros? This is a stretch, but let's see what we get back. Fair enough. Can't predict the future. But there you go. In a few minutes, we've managed to very quickly stand up a new Copilot, point it at a data source, and ask it some questions about the Euros. Hope you enjoy the competition. Very exciting for the next couple of weeks. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Like and subscribe. See you next time. So one thing I just wanted to try here, obviously the English or the Copilot language is currently English. So can we say here, provide me with 5 key football phrases in German with an English translation. Awesome. So we've got goal, offside, penalty kick, yellow card, red card. Amazing. So there you go. Quick translation done through Copilot Studio. Enjoy.